Holy cow, fellers, that's a YouTuber starting a video with a thumbnail that actually matches the content. Unbelievable. Did not see that coming. I'm telling you. Well, hello there, my gorgeous, wonderful, fluffy fuzzballs. Today, we are at Twin Falls State Park. And the reason why we are at Twin Falls State Park is because a couple of my people were like, Llama, when are you going to go back to Twin Falls State Park? It's really not that far from you. Come on. And I'm like, okay. Anyway, here is the Falls Trail. Are we going to see both of the falls today? Well, no. No, we're not. The reason we are not going to see both falls today is because the trail is a lot longer than my ambition, and the first falls is right up here. You can hear the water. It's like right there. Wildlife doesn't trash the forest, neither should you. Show your state park love. Well, that's nice. I don't remember seeing that before. It's probably been there for years. I don't know. I mean, I try to come down here like at least once a year, and I have at least 1 million videos of this very park. And the path to the first falls is very easy to follow. It's got like pavement and stuff. Man, that water is really loud. Must be, well, it is spring, so all the water's coming off the mountains. What was I talking about? Oh yeah, the path. It's a lot easier than the path to the second falls. You kind of see river down there. Yeah. It's so rivery. So rivery. I don't know. Kind of looks like somebody needs to come down here with a weed whacker, whack some weeds away. But, I don't know, it is lovely. It's a gorgeous day. The sky is blue, and do you really need to mark the trails though when you have asphalt? I don't know. But yeah, we're gonna go to the first one. We're not gonna go to the second one because effort, laziness, apathy, you know, all of those things. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. I'm not going to insult your guys' intelligence by coming up with a reason that I'm not going to go to the second falls, because you know, you've met me, you understand my ways. And I appreciate you fellers for that. Anyway, we're almost at the first falls, which is right over here. Right over there. See, you can see where I'm pointing? Yeah, the asphalt stops that way. This is actually a pretty large golf course. And there are bears that live back here somewhere, and they're not allowed to hunt on this land. So, you know, whatever's here lives here and has for a long time. So there's that. At least I don't think you're allowed to hunt. I mean, they'll probably sell you a license. I don't know how that works. I'm not much of a hunter. I couldn't hit the side of a barn with a hand grenade. But anyway, that's not a very good angle. I'll try to give you a better angle. Anglage. I don't know, it's a little better. Let's try over. I could walk down there, but Yikes. That's not llama safe. I don't know. Let's try yet another angle. Maybe over here. I don't know. But anyway, both of the falls have a name. I don't know what they are. Okay, that's better. There you go. Anyway, if you know what the names are for the falls, let me know in the comment section below. It's quite lovely out here. Lovely day. Nice day for a wander. And as you can see, the trail gets kind of treacherous going that way. There's still a little bit of asphalt here, kind of tapers off up there. And then you're pretty much on your own, and you know, I'm not like 12 anymore, so I can't do trails like that. I'm too old and fat. If you feel my pain, hashtag old and fat guy, but he tried. Anyway, that's what I got. You guys have a wonderful day. I'm out. That truck right there has passed 200,000 miles. Holy cow. I mean, you know, yeah, okay, that's not uncommon, but you figure it's punished severely for good behavior, and it still made it. Wow.